stay is still from here. It's too far around mountain. It's 20 stairs I climbed. Now let's see what the scenario gonna look like. Oh my god, let's see. There we have so many stairs. Currently, I have just started, but yeah, the scenario is really worse. Mine, I don't know. Oh my god, how much this? Okay, 218 stairs. Now it's 6 we gonna make it or not? But my sister is still trying to figure out the situation. But we have a lot of things to do. But over here, hey girl, wait for me. I'm carrying your backpack. I'm gonna throw your bag. Just wait for me. I told her to wait for me, and I think that I almost covered the 418 stairs. Not sure about it because over here not written anywhere. But yeah, let me show you some of the view over here that you can able to see it how crazy it was. Can you see the someone? It's completely sucks. Okay, so I can't able to carry her back, and now it's time to give her back. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, I can see that. So crazy view. Goodness, can you see this? It's almost 500 stairs, right? Yeah. No, maybe more than 500. But yeah, we're not sure about that because it's not. Game over. I'm giving up because I don't know what to say next because almost I have covered the 515 stairs. And now I don't have energy to go more. And yeah, she wants just to keep herself climbing. How much stairs we climbed? Around 600? Yes, it back. What do you think about it? Oh, it's nice. It's amazing. I've forgotten. The air is giving me some energy. Exactly. It's super, really. It's amazing to go out and see all the beautiful things. I request to everyone like you are visiting this kind of the cultural places, just don't do that, this kind of the trash over here, because like we are only visiting all the places and it's so good. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so nice to visit all the kind of the cultural places, and yeah, it's so amazing. A lot of eagles. Yeah, we can see the eagles over here. Close the phone and the camera is not allowed. The cell phone and the camera is not allowed over here. We have to go from here. Okay, so they didn't allow us to take the picture, so that is the bad news. Okay, then we move forward and this is that. So the top section is also under the construction. You can able to see they are designing some of these, so it's also on construction. And yeah, we need there is also we can able to go upward direction, so we're gonna try it. Let's see that over there. During my school time, I suppose I also visited that time, but there we have a lot of things to see, but now we don't have that, so we're gonna visit over here. So what are you thinking? Let's Oh my god, so I can't believe that I climbed 1,300 and more stairs. I'm not sure about that how much, but you can able to see this view. It's super. What do you think about it? So oh wow. And now we are on the top of this mountain. Damn, we need to go from there. Stupid. We are not sure about it, but you can able to see this. I didn't. Oh my. It's really amazing. The view. I'm so proud of myself. I visited one place instead of staying at home. Hey girl, don't worry. Out and explore this kind of the places. I really appreciated myself that I visited over here. And yeah, now let's
Much appreciated.
fall. So amazing. After visiting over here, I really don't want to go home, but yeah, I can't do anything. It's only the option. But yeah, this is really very exciting, and I always suggest to everyone to explore this kind of thing. It's really super cool. And you can see that now. Yeah, now this is the top on temple. You can able to see the view. It's super cool, and the sunset as well. So this is the best time to visit as well, during the morning or the evening. It's pretty good. I think they told us like for existing we need to go from here. We need to exist. Okay. Get the view. Show the view. The ocean. Yeah. So okay, now it's around 6 o'clock, so come fast because it's almost going to take the 2 hours. So I'm able to see there is so much ships. Yeah. During the ending of the thing. It seems like a big ship using for the transportation. Amazing. And yeah, I have a really very best memory right now, because it's really necessary to visit this all the kind of the places that you can able to see right now from here. Okay, now my leg is shrinking. I can see that. Now, what do you think now? What is your experience?
It's so bad.
Do you want to revisit with
But I
me?
like the because the nature, the view, everything I like.
Hope so. Really looking so beautiful. So yeah, now we are almost there. I think that around 600 more stairs are remain, and it's also getting dark. So I also need to reach home as soon as possible. So let's see the made it. I can see the ending point there, and really I am very excited. Like it seems like a biggest achievement. Ria, wait. What do you think about it after seeing the ending point?
I'm literally so happy and
We are almost there, almost finished. I am so proud of like 1,000 stairs, and then again 1,000 is around 2,000. I think that 2,800 stairs. It's super. Like it seems like a biggest achievement. So let's move and
thanks.
so now we are looking for a transport, and once getting it, we are going to reach home. So yeah, I made it my Saturday better, and let's see that when I'm going to visit a new place in next Saturday. So keep watching my video and for the vehicle to reach the station, and then after that we're going to get a train from North reach home. So let's walk as much faster we can. Still I am out here, and now almost my leg is paining, and I don't know what to do next. By the way, you can able to see the dark places very much. And still we are over here. Let me show you the view some of this way. Finally I reached home.